Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stream your screen on YouTube. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and pick your streaming service. It could be Streamlabs right here or just straight up OBS. Okay, I'm not going to be using OBS because I'm using it as my recording software. Okay, right here. I'm currently using it for recording. Now, download one or either one. You can just open up your favorite browser and find OBS right here, download it, or Streamlabs. Okay, download it from here. Now, as you can see here, this one is a fresh install. So if you're planning to just live stream, well, go ahead and click on live streaming right here, but you still have the option to record, okay? So click on live streaming, click on continue. You can just go ahead and click on skip right here if you don't have a Streamlabs ID, but if you do want to create a Streamlabs ID, go ahead and create one from here. I'm just going to click on skip and then start fresh. Okay. Go ahead and select your webcam if you do have a webcam. And then just leave a visual preset right here as is. Microphone, go ahead and select your specific microphone. And once that's done, just click on continue. Now here, you can just click on skip. Okay. Now just choose free. All right. Now here we have it. Now to go ahead and add in your screen, just click on the plus sign right here. And then go ahead and click on display capture, add a source, add source. Here we have it. Click on done. And here we have the preview. If it's overlapping, just like what you can see in here, just right click on it, click on transform, and then stretch the screen. Okay. And then once that's done, just go ahead over to the settings icon right here at the bottom left. Click on it. Now click on stream. Select the service. YouTube or TMPS, okay? And then just leave it to primary YouTube ingest server. Now it's going to need our stream key, okay? So to go ahead and get your stream key, is just go ahead over to youtube.com and then go to your profile at the top, go ahead over to YouTube Studio, and then at the top, click on create. Now click on go live. All right, wait for it to load. Now it says here, welcome to YouTube Live Control Room. Get set up to live stream now. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to review settings later though. Click on now, and then go ahead and use an encoder, streaming software, right here. Wait for it. And then once done, as you can see here in the stream settings, here we have the stream URL. And at the top, here we have the stream key. Just click on copy. Guys, as it says here, successfully copied to clipboard. Now go ahead and go back to your Streamlabs OBS or OBS, okay, right here. Just paste the stream key. And then once that's done, just click on close. Now go ahead and tap on go live. All right, wait for it. And in a moment, your stream right here will be up and running. As you can see here, it says the connection is excellent. Here we have it. I'm now live. Now you can just go ahead and end the stream right here, or go ahead over to OBS and end the stream from here once you're done. All right. And there you have it. That is how you stream your screen on YouTube. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.